Hello guys, welcome back to this channel. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can cover your face using emoji in Filmora application. Okay, let's get into it guys. Here I have created a project in my Filmora application, and for example, I'm going to cover this girl's face using emoji. First of all, I'm going to add emoji to my video. We can go to the sticker and I'm just going to add this emoji to my project. Okay, I'm going to make this emoji align with my video, just like so, and I'm going to make it smaller like this. And to make the emoji can follow the moving face, we're going to apply motion tracking feature to this video. We can click on the video and then we can go to the AI tools right here and just scroll down until you find the motion tracking. Activate this motion tracking feature, and then I'm going to place the square to the girl's face. Okay, and then we can click this icon to start motion track. Okay, and you have to wait until the process completed. Okay, it's almost done. Okay, now the motion tracking is complete, and then I'm going to make the emoji follow the moving face. We can go to the link element and then select emoji. Okay, now it's done guys, and I'm going to show you the final result. I know that it's not that perfect, but yeah, this is the result. Alright guys, and that's all the way to cover our face using emoji in Filmora. I hope this tutorial will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching and see you in the next video.